Hello, we're going to learn how to draw the VSEPR structure for this anion. First we need the Lewis dot, so we need phosphorus and hydrogen. Those are the types of atoms we have. Phosphorus gives us 5 valence electrons. Hydrogen gives us 1 valence electron. If we want to write out our bank here, we get 1 phosphorus giving us 5 electrons plus 2 hydrogens. Each of those is giving us 1 electron plus an extra electron due to this charge here. That's what it's telling us. It's telling us we have an extra electron. So we get a total of 8 electrons to work with. Hydrogen's always a terminal atom, so we have to put phosphorus in the center. We had 8 electrons to work with in our bank. We just made 2 bonds. Each of those 2 bonds require 2 electrons, so we have 4 electrons left over. We cannot put them on hydrogen. That's going to expand its octet, so these have to go on to phosphorus there as 2 lone pairs. We can draw our bond dipoles. Because we're forced to put phosphorus in the center, we're going to wind up with these bond dipoles pointing inside. Now we can figure out our steric number. It's going to be the number of atoms attached to the central atom plus the number of lone pairs. So we've got 1, 2 lone pairs, 1, 2 atoms, for a total steric number of 4. Now we need the lone pair number. Number of lone pairs on the central atom, 1, 2, we get 2. We come down to our table here. We're looking at a steric number of 4, and we want to be looking at the column for 2 lone pairs, so we are right here. Bent or angular. We can come up here and interpret that for our case. What it's telling us that we have phosphorus here. These hydrogens are in a bent position coming down. There is a lone pair. One's coming out of the board. One is going into the plane of the board. Our electron geometry, it's always the first one in this column, so that's going to be tetrahedral. And our molecular geometry is going to be